Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dynamic fees in WooCommerce based on a custom checkout field. First, we'll enter the code using the Code Snippets plugin. Once we've added it, we'll go ahead and activate the snippet. Now let's check it out on the front end. I'll visit the store and select a product. After adding it to the cart, we head over to the checkout page. Here, you'll see our new gift wrapping checkbox. Notice how if I check it, the fee isn't applied just yet. That's because our fee only applies when the cart subtotal exceeds $50. Let's go back to the cart page and increase the product quantity to 2. Now, the subtotal is over $50. Heading back to checkout, we check the checkbox again, and you can see the $5 fee is now added. If we uncheck the box, the fee disappears instantly. This shows how WooCommerce can dynamically add fees based on both user selection and cart subtotal. And that's it. A simple and flexible way to make your checkout dynamically apply the fees and make your checkout smarter.